If your child keeps not listening, it's not just behavior, it's a pattern. Today, you'll understand what's really happening in their mind and how to change their response without conflict. Because when a child doesn't listen, the issue is rarely just disobedience. It's usually how their brain processes attention, emotion, and communication. Children don't process everything they hear the same way adults do. Their attention is selective. If they are focused on something engaging, like a game or show, your voice competes with that focus and often loses. So when you repeat yourself and they ignore you, it's not always defiance, it's attention overload. When a child is tired, frustrated, or emotionally overwhelmed, their brain shifts into a reactive state. In that state, listening becomes difficult. They're not processing instructions clearly, they are responding emotionally instead. Sometimes the issue is communication itself. Long instructions, vague phrases, or multiple steps at once can overload a child's working memory. So instead of acting, they freeze or delay, not out of refusal, but because they didn't fully understand or retain the instruction. Many parents unintentionally make the situation worse by repeating instructions without changing approach, speaking from a distance, or giving commands while the child is distracted. In these cases, the message never fully lands. It's easy to assume the child is stubborn or disrespectful, but in many cases, that's not the root cause. Often, the child isn't choosing to ignore you, they're struggling to process, prioritize, or respond in that moment. To improve listening, start with attention. Get close, use their name, and make eye contact. Then, simplify your instructions into clear, short steps. If emotions are high, address them first before giving directions. And finally, confirm understanding by asking them to repeat what you said. Once you understand the psychology behind listening, you stop reacting with frustration and start communicating in a way children can actually respond to. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe for more videos where we turn child behavior into practical strategies you can use every day.